Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. Exciting news just in. Kadence theme has released their latest game changer, the all-new Kadence AI templates. In this video, I dive deep into the groundbreaking features of these recently released templates. Let's explore the incredible new Kadence AI templates together. Required Kadence theme tools for these new features are Kadence starter templates, plugin, Kadence blocks free, and Kadence theme free version. To get started, you open the Kadence starter template from the left sidebar. It will take you into a new pop-up window. Just press the next Kadence AI starter templates button to begin with the AI wizard. You will need to provide detailed information about the industry and company details. So I choose between these three options. I am a company, and my fictional company, it's called Novatech Solutions. My business address is this one, Information Technology and Software Development. You click Next. We then need to provide my business information. The more detailed information, the better. You click Next. We need to add some keywords in order to assist the topics they will write about. They suggest these keywords, and I agree with this one, digital marketing, and you can add up to 10 keywords. And then we need to choose between the tone you are up to. I go with professional. You click next. And now come the part where you set the future images and the background images. You can use the AI search collection, or you can use instead the pre-made collections by browsing through these business categories. And once you are done with your instructions, the website will load on about 60 seconds, and you then start to customize it. I begin by opening the templates. I like this one, and I do the work to match my brand identity guidelines. So the hero section, the services the company provides, products and services, and call to action. It looks promising. You can select highlight color you want and the fonts you want to use. We click next, and these are my 4 pages: home, about, contact, and FAQ. In the advanced settings, you can define if you want to import the theme settings and import the footer widgets. Let's click to next. I have already WooCommerce installed on this website, but if you need additional plugins, you can select it. So when you import WooCommerce products, the WooCommerce plugin will be installed on the following page. And then the final step is to press the finish and launch. And then we can see the website or go to my pages to customize it. Let's visit the website. Let's take a closer look. With a few clicks, the website is up and running. I found the Kadence AI wizard intuitive and easy to use. The Kadence design library, found in the editor's top left corner alongside the list view icon, offers a rich collection of AI-generated patterns and pre-designed pages. It's a valuable resource for sparking creativity. Let's check the testimonials, the theme, FAQ. So as you are viewing, you can select various AI-powered patterns and pages that could provide you with satisfactory website needs. You easily find hero sections, contact pages, pricing tables, and much more, saving you much time and effort. And once you find what you're looking for, just simply click to import the design. Why not check out this next video on the screen? This video is the solution to sharing your WordPress blog post to social media automatically. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to get more videos like this.